What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. This is another update on Solana. We've seen the insane pump up, and what do we expect next? We are above the 50 EMA. We are losing it slightly on the 15-minute time frame, but on the 4-hourly and the hourly, we're still above. But this move down, we've lost the 50 at the moment on the 15-minute. However, I do believe Solana might have one more leg up. It could have one more leg up. Looking at this on the 4-hourly, you can clearly see that Solana had moved in a 5-wave manner in a 1, 2, then you had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave to complete. This 5th wave will complete the big 3rd wave, and we're going to retrace for a 4th and then a 5th. Then there'll be another big retracement as you would have completed the wave 1 and you'd have a wave 2 down. Now, how far can that fourth wave retrace after this big 3rd wave that we had, and what are the targets for the 5th wave? Now, the targets of the 5th wave, I took it from the bottom here, from the beginning of the wave 3. We had initially we had a 1, 2, then this whole move up is an extended 3, and this 3 had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you take the length of the wave 1 of wave 3 from the bottom to the top, and you bring it to the bottom of your projected wave 4 over here. Now, I projected that wave 4 was done initially. I said, okay, wave 4 could be done. And we have moved up in a 5th wave. What I'm trying to say is that we had a 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a 5th wave. So if I want to know the length of the 5th wave, there is 2 ways to do it. Either you take the length of wave 1, and you bring it, to the bottom of the wave 4, which would be here, and that will say, okay, wave 5 could be done. We have extended above the 1.618. So there's a possibility we are done with this move up. Another target could be if you take it the 3rd wave, the length of the 3rd wave, which would be this wave over here. This is the top of the 3rd wave, and this is the bottom of the 3rd wave. And you would see that we also reached the 1.618. However, we could move higher if there's still juice in the tank. I believe we still need to hit, we don't need to, but we could still hit the $25.7 range or $26 range, because that's a level of liquidity that we haven't touched. On the hourly, you'll clearly see that there is a wick over here to be recovered. It doesn't have to, but it's very possible we get up here. Just let me zoom out. Right over here. Yeah, that's the $26 range. If we get there, then we see the reaction. We could have a pullback now, as I said, that we could have one more up, or we could have a pullback, as it's triple topping over here looks very bearish. We could be now retracing for that wave 4, the bigger wave 4, if this big wave 3 up was done. And I'll give you targets for that to watch for. The big wave 4 would start over here. Let's go to the 4-hourly so it's clear. The bigger wave 4 would start from the beginning of wave 3, and then you take it to the end of the big wave 3, which would be the smaller wave 5, and then your retracement level can be anywhere between the $21 range and the 17.257. You have the 21.2 as a 0.236, $19 as a 0.382, 17.2 at the 0.5. So as price comes down to these levels, you need to monitor the volume and see the reaction. Are we moving impulsively? Impulsively as in like how we came up, or moving down with strength, with increased volume, or is it just a corrective move down, making 3 waves instead of making 5 waves? Now, if we're coming down correctively, very weak, and we don't get a reaction here, we don't get a bounce, I will still wait for the next level until I see a reaction. Say I see a reaction over here. If we're coming down weak, we would essentially have a reaction when we get to support and possibly reverse. Since the wave 5 of this move was very extended, you would expect that the wave 4 would be not that strong or deep. So if we're coming deep, then it might not be a wave 4. Anyways, this is your support zone between 17.2 and the 21.2. You have the $19 in the middle, in between them. So just watch for that for possible reaction or bounce. Then we might see those higher levels, 26, even possibly the $30 range for a start. All right, I hope you liked the update. Smash the likes and join the free Discord. Subscribe to the channel. It's a free Discord. We're building a community. I post some ideas over there even when I don't make videos, because sometimes I'm just too busy to make videos. So I just post ideas on my Discord group. Thanks for watching. More trades. I'm out.